Welcome to Matla Lodge. Nestled in the heart of Madikwe Game Reserve, a place where luxury meets the wild. Right in front of the lodge lies an active waterhole, a constant stage for Africa's iconic wildlife. From elephants to graceful zebras, and from the most elusive to the apex predator, nature comes right to your doorstep. Guests can savor every moment, whether it is a lunch or a magical dinner. With cameras in hand, they capture once-in-a-lifetime memory, all from the comfort of the lodge. As day turns into night, the waterhole remains alive with sound and movement, offering a front row seat to the untamed beauty of Madikwe. At Matla Lodge, every glance towards the waterhole is a reminder that you are not just visiting the wild, you are living in it. If you wish to live this experience, then join me for August 2026 Safari to Madikwe. Link is in the description.